students, welcome back again to our mathematics class. Last class we learned about multiples. Today I am going to teach you lowest common multiple, LCM. Okay? When a number is a multiple of two or more numbers, it is called common multiple of those numbers. The smallest number among the common multiple is called lowest common multiple. It is also called least common multiple, LCM. We can find LCM by the following three methods. The first one is common multiple method, and the second one prime factorization method, and the third one repeated division method. Okay? Okay students, look at my board. Using common multiples method, we are finding the LCM of 15 and 20. Okay? So what is the first step? We have to write the multiples of 15, then multiples of 20, then find out the common multiples. Among those common multiples, we have to find out the least one, means smallest one. Okay? Start writing multiples of 15. So write multiples of 15. 15 is table. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120. You can write or more if you are not getting the common multiple. Okay. Next, multiples of 20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, so on. You can write or more. Okay. The next step, find the common multiples. 15 and 20. Which number is repeating in these multiples? Find out. Here 60 is here and 60 is in 20's multiples also. Next common multiple 120 is repeating in 15's multiples also, in 20's multiples also. Can you see? 120 here, 120. The next common multiples of 15 and 20. What are the common multiples? 60 and 120. Write down. Now next step, LCM, least common multiple. Out of this common multiples, which is the smallest one? 60 is the smallest one. So write 60 here. So the LCM of 15 and 20 is equal to 60. Okay students. Next, second method, prime factorization method. Using prime factorization method, how can we find out LCM? Okay, look at the board. The same question 15 and 20. Finding the prime factors and then the LCM. Okay. First, what we have to do? Factorize the numbers. Prime factorize. 15. Prime factors are 3 and 5. 20. Prime factors are 2 and 2 and 5. Okay. So write down. Prime factors of 15 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. Prime factors of 20, 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. Okay. Next step. Common prime factors. Out of this, which is the common? 5. Only 1 5 is the common factor. Okay. Next, LCM. For LCM, you have to take care here. Common prime factor multiply remaining prime factors. Here the common prime factor is 5 and the remaining prime factors are 3, 2 and 2. Okay. Then multiply all these numbers. 5 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 2. 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. 30 2s are 60. So the LCM is 60. Okay, this is prime factorization method. Finding LCM by prime factorization method. Okay. Okay students, we have learned two methods. Okay. Now the third method, repeated division method. Okay. This repeated division method is very easy and you can follow this method for finding LCM always. Okay. How to do using this method? First we have to write the numbers. The same question 15 and 20. Okay. First we have to write the number 15, then 20, then prime factorize the number. Okay. What we have to check first? Out of 15 and 20, using the prime number, we have to divide. Okay, so take the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. Then check it out. 15 is divided by 2. Yet 20 is divided by 2. Is it possible or not? Yes, 20 we can divide by 2. Okay, so write down 2 here, and then 15 carry down same to same, because 15 divided by 2 is not possible without remainder. That's why. So 15 we are carrying down, and 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Okay, again check it out. 2 is possible or not? Divide by 2 is possible or not? If not possible, then only go to the next prime number. Here 2 is possible, then we can divide by 2. Okay, but 15 is not possible. So 15 carry down same to same. So 15 we are carried down, and 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Okay, then again check it out. 15 and 5. 2 is possible to divide without remainder? No, it is not possible. So take the next prime number. Next prime number is 3. Check it out. Out of this number, any one of the number we can divide by 3 or not? Yes, 15 we can divide. Okay, so write down 3. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 5 is not possible to divide by 3, so carry down. Okay, now the numbers are 5 and 5. Now next prime number is equal to 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. Again 5 divided by 5, 1. Till getting 1, we have to do this process, do this division. Okay, now LCM. LCM is equal to all the prime factors. All the prime factors multiply. 2, 2, 3 and 5. Multiply all the prime factors. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. So the LCM is equal to 60. Got it? Okay, let us watch one video of LCM. Okay, students?
Lowest common multiple. Aruna and Anita were each given a piece of ribbon of equal length to decorate their kittens. Aruna cuts her ribbons into equal lengths of 15 centimeter, while Anita cuts her ribbons into equal lengths of 30 centimeter. If there was no ribbon left in both cases, how do we find the shortest possible length of the ribbons given to them? Well, we need to find the lowest common multiple or least common multiple of 15 centimeter and 30 centimeter. The multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120. The multiples of 30 are 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240. The common multiples are 30, 60, 90 and 120. Least among the common multiples is 30. So, the LCM of 15 and 30 is 30. Thus, the shortest possible length of the ribbons given to them is 30 centimeter. Let's find the LCM of 16 and 28 using prime factorization method. The prime factorization of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. The prime factorization of 28 are 2 into 2 into 7. To find LCM, we multiply the common prime factors or HCF of 16 and 28 and the remaining prime factors. The LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 is equal to 112. Thus, the LCM of 16 and 28 is 112. Let's find the LCM of 10, 16, 28 by repeated division method. First, we need to start dividing by the smallest prime number, which can divide at least one of the given numbers. We will bring down the numbers which are not divisible. We continue this process till the last row has quotients 1 for all the given numbers. Lastly, we multiply all the prime factors to obtain the LCM. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 is equal to 560. Thus, the LCM of 10, 16 and 28 is 560.
Today's class is over. Today's homework is Application Book 4.4. Thank you. Have a nice day.